Hi guys, today I will make this beautiful project Smart Dustbin. Then many components I will use this project: ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno and servo motor. And I will use this one bucket for this Smart Dustbin, and next two small size cardboard. Then I normally mark this side and cut down this cardboard. Then second cardboard I will mark and cut down same method. After two cardboard cut down, and I will fix this sticker in the two cardboard. After fix sticker, and I will fix this one cardboard in the bucket upper side. Then I will fix these two cardboard using normally black tape, and I will fix this. And one small hole. Are you facing some problem? Don't worry, follow me and set up your circuit. Don't worry. VCC in input, and I will connect this Arduino pin 5 volt and ground to connect to ground. Next eco connect pin number 6, and then trick connect pin number 5. So easy circuit, and you can build it normally, don't worry. Then I will connect this Arduino in my laptop, and after I will uploading this code, normally this Arduino Uno. And these all components I will fix this bucket. Now I will fix this servo motor in upper side in the bucket. Complete this project, you can see